Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss: water filtration. Clean and safe drinking water is crucial for our health, especially when we're exploring the great outdoors or faced with emergency situations. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 5 best water filters of 2023. These filters are designed to remove impurities and provide you with clean drinking water, no matter where you are. So, let's dive right into it. Number 5. LifeStraw Flex Water Filter. We have the LifeStraw Flex Water Filter. This compact and versatile filter is perfect for hikers and campers who need a reliable water source in the wilderness. The LifeStraw Flex features a hollow fiber membrane that removes 99.9% of bacteria and 99.9% of parasites from water. It also includes a carbon capsule that reduces chlorine, bad taste, and odor. The Flex can be used as a straw, attached to a water bottle, or connected to a hydration pack. Its lightweight and portable design make it a must-have for any outdoor adventurer. Number 4. Sawyer Products Mini Water Filtration System. We have the Sawyer Products Mini Water Filtration System. This compact and high-performance filter is perfect for backpacking and emergency preparedness. The Sawyer Mini can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water, removing 99.9% of all bacteria and protozoa. Its 0.1 micron absolute hollow fiber membrane ensures that no harmful pathogens pass through. The Mini is incredibly easy to use, as you can drink directly from the filter or attach it to a water bottle or hydration pack. It's lightweight, weighing only 2 ounces, and fits in the palm of your hand. Number 3. Grail GeoPress Water Purifier. We have the Grail GeoPress Water Purifier. The Grail GeoPress is a convenient and effective water filtration system that is ideal for global travel and outdoor adventures. It features a unique press mechanism that allows you to filter and purify water in just 8 seconds. The GeoPress removes 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, protozoan cysts, and particulates, while also improving taste and reducing chemicals. With a capacity of 24 ounces, it's perfect for providing clean water for you and your fellow adventurers. Number 2. Katadyn Pocket Water Filter. We have the Katadyn Pocket Water Filter. If you're looking for a reliable and durable filter, the Katadyn Pocket is an excellent choice. It's constructed with a silver-impregnated ceramic cartridge that can filter up to 13,000 gallons of water. This filter removes bacteria, protozoa, cysts, algae, spores, and sediments, ensuring that you have safe drinking water. The pocket is designed for longevity, with a stainless steel body and a replaceable filter element. It's a trusted companion for any outdoor adventurer or emergency preparedness kit. Number 1. MSR Guardian Purifier. And finally, we have the MSR Guardian Purifier. The MSR Guardian is a top-of-the-line water purifier designed for extreme conditions. It utilizes advanced hollow fiber technology and a self-cleaning system to provide you with reliable and safe drinking water. This purifier removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and particulates, meeting the highest safety standards. The Guardian can filter up to 10,000 liters of water before requiring a replacement cartridge, making it a long-lasting and trustworthy companion in any survival or outdoor scenario. Our list of the top 5 best water filters of 2023. Whether you're hiking, camping, traveling, or preparing for emergencies, investing in a high-quality water filter is essential. Remember to choose a filter that suits your needs and ensure you have access to clean drinking water wherever you go. Let us know in the comments which water filter you found most interesting, and if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Stay safe and hydrated out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more survival gear reviews and tips. Until next time, if you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.